fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, all you have to do is you have to open your Play Store and then you will have to search for the Facebook, and you can see there's update option. So you can just simply have to tap right here on update. Once you have done this, you have to go to your phone setting and you will have to search for app manage option. After that, you will have to simply search for Facebook. So let me search for the Facebook. Once I have done this, you can see I have to clear the data or clear the cache. Once I have done this, I will have to go to the permission options. You can see I have to go to app permission option. So once I have done this, I will have to allow all the permissions that is required to use the Facebook. So once I have done this, I can simply go to my Facebook account, and after that, you can see that I have the Meta AI options available on my Facebook account. So this is how you can easily fix Meta AI not showing problem on your Facebook. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.